Joseph, Jeremiah, Moses, you chose us to choose up. Rules us not to lose us. Cruel love, they judge with misguided eyes, thinking that we cry because we feel forsaken, but we've taken love the way you give it, real and uncensored, and made it a way of living, a way of giving like you. Ourselves to the cause, hurt for us all, glorifying the redeeming God of our fall, summer sun, salting our wounds, cleaning our rooms, inviting guests of your choice, necessary siren noise, hiding headphones so we phone home. Planner, demand my submission, however you can get it, use me, Lord. Sacrificial refugee, hiding your children in a cloak to bring them to your safe haven. Tubman tugging radiance from raven, reverse law of motion, sending goods you gave back up to be made perfect. So they portray the full display of their purpose. Piecing together peace that's perfect. For calming things like the need for knowledge regarding puzzles you've already solved. Wise fall. Blinding so that you are my cane, and I lean on you to stay sane. Feel for whom remains the same gracious texture. Listening for lectures crave from my soul. Senses, please guide me, and concurrently hide me from spirits that look like a version of Tide Me. Bound to yesterday, I declare today my commitment for your presence. Present presentation in so many words saying, I'm yours. I need to be. I plead to be kept constantly. Regular run-ins with your power, hour by hour. Glory addiction like the prior second, I need fixing. Around the clock, labor love, don't stop, aid and abet this crime of passion. Killing anything that so happened to step in my way on this path, I'm racing to you. And when I play amnesia, orchestrate a reality check so I pay dimension to your ways, close attention, and respect your supervision and precision, and give it all to your greatness. Straighten every wrinkle. Iron out the crinkles in my faith, in every way make me straight. Make me stay a believer. One so sure you never leave her, one that fights hard not to please her flesh. Efforts to press on, leaving behind doubt to preferably shout, Savior, you can. You are that I am. That I am in love with. Affections made public. Out of the box, this jack no longer seeks comfort. I search to be your songbird.